Looking at Mastra in Brazil this morning of the 5th of January 2016. Okay, so we're looking at Brazil 2016 morning, just a different Brazil cam, and seeing the plasma cloud. Boulder, Colorado 2016, again 9:34 Central Time. This is in Colorado, and we see a blue object which they're trying to cover up with the requisite chemtrails. Reviewing a sky cam in Brook Forest Observatory. It is 9:35 a.m. January 2016. Looking at the sky cam here, we are seeing the cloud anomaly similar to what we see in the South Pole. We're seeing kind of some obfuscated objects back in here, and it appears to be covered up, and you can also see the chemtrails trying to hide these objects. Checking the Davis Skycam, 9:37 a.m. January 5th, 2016. Just for the first look, it looks like we have a clear sky on January 5th. Here we go. Ooh, there it is. Still there. Triangle still there. Triangle behind the clouds. Downloaded H1 footage from the 20th to the 5th of January 2016. Here's what I found. Unknown object in the heliosphere, large cloud, weird object here. This object, now watch this. I'm going to step now through the rest of these, but this thing like goes from, we missed a bunch of footage. I'll show you here. This thing's flying over here. What the hell is all this stuff? Now watch this. Did one of our planets change position here? Because you go on the 1st, and then it blocks us for 3 days, and then watch what happens on the 4th. Boom. Check that out, man. Step it backwards here, a couple frames. Okay, this is what happens between the last image we got on the 2nd and the image on the 4th. That thing just jumped over. And then we've got a few more images of it moving very quickly over to the left in this frame. So that is H1 on the 5th of January. Last couple days of Core 2 imagery, starting on 12/20. Incredible. Cloud, object, God knows what, God knows what, God knows what. Going to step through the next several images as we get through the first. This is just not normal sun behavior and activity right now, you guys. I mean, this is reason to be concerned. Now we're going to lose a couple days here, if I'm not mistaken. Oops, sorry. Okay, so see what we missed here. So from the 2nd to the 4th, holy God. No wonder they covered it up. What the hell? Wow, look at that. Unbelievable. I didn't see this image yesterday. Let's step it through now and go to the 4th. And then they cult out this whole area here. This is occulted already, and then they've completely blurred it, but you can still see there's a lot of weird stuff going on. And then the 5th, we've got another huge CME coming off of there. Another one off the top. I just had to review this Colorado footage again and just see this stuff up in the sky just showing up now. It's really hard for them to cover it up, and you can see the chemtrails are trying to very hard to cover that up. It's pretty cool. I'm going to refresh the image now and see what we got. Still the same. They're trying to hide this image, and they're trying to hide this huge plume down here that we're actually seeing from the South Pole in a little bit of different light.